Welcome back. Continuing the news. In this evening's Ray of Hope, Yannick Williams tells us about a new initiative aimed at encouraging students to resolve conflicts peacefully and make positive choices.
Peace over war. That's the theme of a powerful youth initiative led by a former teacher from the Old Harbour High School community, aimed at bringing people together to promote peace among the youth. Launched in 2022, the initiative's director, Junior McDonough, says he is driven by the hope that his voice and this movement will inspire a culture of respect, understanding, and lasting peace.
I think us as elders, especially us as teachers, we really have a responsibility to orient and to inspire our future generation. So when I looked at the whole proliferation of violence and fighting that have pervaded our schools over a particular period of time and ongoing, I sat and I prayed for the inspiration. If I could be just equipped with the knowledge and the inspiration to create a mantra on conflict resolution.
He says the initiative aims to encourage dialogue, to introduce mentorship and conflict resolution among young people, while addressing the growing concerns about violence affecting communities across the island.
Every teacher is a behavior modifier. And the objective, the cogitation of this objective is behavior modification, that we can launch Jamaica. Jamaica can be a bedrock for a behavioral transformation, being an example to the rest of the world. I want to replicate this across all institutions, all schools in Jamaica.
Principal of Old Harbour High says with the high levels of indisciplines within the school community, the initiative is a well-needed source for students and teachers.
And we have seen too many individuals in our school space participating in criminal activity, participating in things that are just so wrong. And we are now saying enough is enough. And we have to take back our community. And in taking back our community, we decide that, look, the first place we want to start is taking back our school. And in taking back our school, we are on the campaign that our students must understand that it must be peace at all times. Peace over war.
In the meantime, Councillor for the Old Harbour South Division says with periodic outbreaks of crime and violence in the division, the initiative could play an important role in promoting peace.
Whatever initiatives that we do, that we see bear fruit, we need to maintain them and to sustain them and not to stop them. You understand? Because, once we stop them, then we see all the things that we despised creeping back into society. So I'm very happy to be a part of this initiative, and I hope to see it spread right across Jamaica and to be maintained for many, many years to come.
He also expressed hope that the program will eventually be replicated across the Caribbean.
Resolve all differences through dialogue and consultation. Never, ever resort to physical confrontation.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Yannick Williams.
Ray of